Hello, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video is how to speed up your Android device. So there are a few tips and so let's go. So tip number 1 is uninstall unused application. So go to settings, then go to apps, then manage apps, then tap uninstall. You're gonna choose the app that you are not using. And click uninstall. Next is, from time to time, we have downloaded files on our smartphone and we tend not to clean those unused files. So the next step is to delete unused files. So let's go to File Manager. On the left side, the hamburger button, tap that and you can tip clean and clean now. So you can clean all of it. Next is, I also know that the phone can function very well. So let's minimize the animations on your smartphone. So let's go to settings, then select about phone, then tap on the build version 7 times. So it says here you are now a developer. Then go to additional settings and select the developer options. We'll select the animation duration scale. So let's put it on the 5 times. Now your phone feels faster. Next thing to do is clear the cache of data of the phone. So you're gonna open the cleaner app, then gonna clean up. So that's it. I hope that you learned something. If you have any questions or comments, just put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.